Key lime poke cake. How to make key lime poke cake. Preparation time 20 minutes. Total time 1 hour 55 minutes. Servings 15. Ingredients: cake, 1 box Betty Crocker super moist white cake mix, 1 and 1/4 cups water, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 4 eggs. Key lime filling: 1 can or 14 ounce sweetened condensed milk, not evaporated, 3/4 cup whipping cream, half cup key lime juice or regular lime juice, 1 teaspoon grated lime peel, 4 drops yellow food color, 1 drop green food color. Frosting: 1 container or 12 ounce Betty Crocker whipped vanilla frosting, 2 teaspoons grated lime peel. Garnish if desired: fresh strawberries, key lime slices, lemon leaves. Directions: heat oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 325 Fahrenheit for dark or non-stick pan. Spray bottoms only of 19x9 pan with baking spray with flour. In large bowl, beat cake ingredients with electric mixer on low speed 30 seconds, then on medium speed 2 minutes, scraping bowl occasionally. Pour into pan. Bake 27 to 33 minutes or until toothpick inserted in center comes out clean. Cool 5 minutes with handles of wooden spoon 1/4 to 1/2 inch in diameter. Poke holes almost to bottom of cake every 1/2 inch. Whipping spoon handle occasionally to reduce sticking. In medium bowl, stir together filling ingredients. Mixture will thicken. Pour over cake, spread evenly over surface, working back and forth to fill holes. Some filling should remain on top of cake. Refrigerate 1 hour. Spread frosting over cake. Sprinkle with lime peel. Garnish as desired. Store loosely covered in refrigerator.